In this video, we're going to learn how to bulk add contacts to an automation. First, you'll need to select the contacts that you'd like to use. You can do this manually by choosing the checkboxes next to each contact's name, or in bulk by selecting a whole page, choosing the checkbox next to the filters. To select all of the contacts, you can bulk select a page and then choose Select All Records. In our case, we only want to put a few people in this automation, and they've been tagged, so we'll unselect and then go to Filters. Next, we'll choose Tag. I've already tagged them all with the Turning-65 tag, so we'll search it, select it, and then choose Apply. Once you're done adding the filters, exit out of the Filters tab. Use the Bulk Page Select here to select all of the filtered records. If you have more than one page, you'll need to choose Select All. Next, add them to the automation. To do this, use the third button in this row here. As you can see, when I hover over it, it says Add to Automation, and it looks like a little robot head. This will pull up this warning. When you see it, don't worry. It's just letting you know that it's going to take a little bit of time to add all of the contacts to an automation, especially if it's a particularly complicated automation or a lot of contacts. Choose Proceed. Next, you can choose what workflow you'd like to add them to. We'll add them to Turning-65. Then, you can choose how you'd like them added. You can add them all at once, at a scheduled time, or in drip mode. If you add them at a scheduled time, you can set a specific day and time to set them on by clicking in this white box underneath Start On. If you'd like to add them in drip mode, you can start them on a specific time, you can set how many people should go in each batch, and you can tell it how often to repeat it. You can set it during days, hours, minutes, or seconds. You can also set it to go on specific days of the week, such as only Fridays and Tuesdays. Your final filter that you can choose is to set it only during specific times of the day, such as only running it from 12 a.m. to 1 a.m. In our case, it's a very simple automation and only a few contacts, so we'll just add them all at once. Next, you'll need to name the action. This is just for your personal records, in case something goes wrong or something unexpected happens. That way, you'll be able to see what you did. We'll name it Turning-65 Bulk Add. Then you'll choose Add to Automation. It'll load for a moment, and then it'll allow you to exit this window. If you'd like to view the progress, you can click here, or you can choose OK and go to Bulk Actions. Since it was only a few contacts and a very simple automation, it's already complete. You can view the details of what options you chose when you uploaded it. As you can see, it says that we chose the process all as soon as possible because we chose to send them all in at once. If you'd like to see how it went, you can choose Show Stats. We had 0 errors and 8 successful, so we had a 100% success rate. You can do this with as many contacts as you'd like and with any automation that you'd like, but be aware that with more complicated automations and larger amounts of contacts, you'll need to send them in drip mode.